In this video, we will learn about pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that can take place of a noun. We already know that noun is a name of any person, place or thing. So the words which are used in the place of noun are said to be pronoun. Let's take examples. Rita. In the place of Rita, we can use the pronoun she. Rohan. Rohan is a noun and we can use the pronoun he in place of Rohan. Table. Table is a non-living thing and it is a noun. So, here we can use the pronoun it. Children. Children is a name of noun and we can use the pronoun they. This is a girl and here for this girl we can use the pronoun she. This is a boy and for this boy we can use the pronoun he. For person, we can use the pronoun I if the sentence is singular, he or she if the sentence is singular, you for both singular and plural, we for plural pronoun, they for plural pronoun or plural noun. For example, I am a girl. Here, I is a singular pronoun used for my name. He is going to school. He is also a singular pronoun. They are laughing. It means more than one people are laughing. That's why we are using the plural pronoun. You are my friend. You is a singular as well as a plural pronoun. But in this sentence, you seems to be a singular pronoun. They are coming home means in the figure 3 people are coming home. So, this is used in the place of plural noun. Now, for animals, plants or any non-living thing, we use the pronoun it if it is singular and they if it is plural. Let's take examples. They are cats. If we are talking about so many cats, then we will use the pronoun they. It is a cow. If we are talking about a single cow, then we will use the pronoun it. It is a chair. Similarly, if we are talking about a single chair, we will use the pronoun it. Now, your homework is to replace the noun with pronoun. The first one is done for you. Mother, you will use the pronoun she. Now, you have to use the pronoun for the following noun. Boys, elephant, father, Radha, mom and I, cats, flowers, window, Ram, car.